Hey, what's up guys? So in this tutorial we will be learning about anonymous in a class, and I believe that from the previous video you already know that a class exists inside a class is known as in a class. And now let's start with anonymous in a class, but before that, if you're new here then please don't forget to subscribe. And now let's start. Now, what is anonymous in a class? So guys, a class that have no name can be simply known as anonymous in a class. And why we use it anonymous in a class? It can be useful when we have to override a method of a class or interface. And it can be created using two ways, whether it can be created using classes or interface. So now let's go ahead and see a programming example. We will see that how we can create anonymous in a class. So here we have this programming example that we're going to use to understand the concept of anonymous in class. And here you can see this. I've made a class here. The class name is fruit, and it has a method. The method is mango, and it is saying that it is a king of fruits. Now in the main function, when we create the object for our particular fruit class, so we can access this mango, and here instead of putting this semicolon and creating the object, just by putting this open and curly braces we can create another class. And here we have not given any name to our class, but just by putting these curly braces, now this is our class. And in this class we have created another method, that is mango, which is the same method, which means we are overriding the method and saying print that it is my favorite fruit. So here, without changing this value in this fruit class, we are just creating another class which is an anonymous in a class because it has no name, and here it is saying it is my favorite fruit. And now we can call the method just by writing the name of the object which you created here, that is f underscore obj, using dot operator and writing the name of the method which is mango. So I hope you understand that how you can create the anonymous in a class. It is very simple. When we create the object, then instead of putting this semicolon you can just put open and close curly braces, and this is the simple class you have created without any name. And you can create methods and you can perform some actions. Now in the next bit we'll see the creation of anonymous in a class using interface. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any comments, please write down below. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.